Here we have a few Nuer language basic phrases that I would like you to learn. Right, getting to know people. That is in Nuer language. First thing first is hi. Hi mean hi, right? The same thing the way you say hello, or the same response you'll get hello, something like that. Okay, well, the important thing is here, nice to meet you. And before you do that, you might ask the persons, what's your name? What's your name, right? Here we say shall shududi in your language, shall shududi, right? That is in your. You also, well, don't pronounce this like qual. No, this is chal. I can write this thing in your language if I want to. Let's simply come here and I will say shall. Sorry, yeah, shall should do the, that is in your, right? And the way you can pronounce it, you can say in shall, should do the, shall should do the, right? That is the first thing that I would like you to learn. What's your name? Shall should do the. You can say it in response to what's your name. Maybe my name. My name is Chang, right? Sorry. Okay, my name. Let me change the keyboard, right? My name is Chang, right? And then in our language we say, yeah, that's my name. In our language we say Chual, right? Chual should der Chang, okay? Or you can write it this way in your language. Shall should the Chang, right? So shall should the Chang. What's your name? Shall shududi. What's your name? Shall should do di, or shall should do di. My name is Chang. Shall should Chang. Shall should Chang. That is the way you can say it. Well, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We say it. Shloy the Tesco Shandik. Shlosh the Tate Ko Shejik KG. That is when you are telling, maybe you are meeting one person, you can say Shloy the Tes Ko Shejik KG. But when there are many, okay, Shloy the Tes Shlosh the Tes Ko Shejik. When they are many, more than two and above, we'll say it like that. Okay, pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you and nice to meet you. Yeah, in your language they mean the same thing. You can copy this and also put the same thing, or let me simply type nice, pleased to meet you. She losh the Tate Ko Chanjik. Okay, just like that. Chloy the Tesco Chanjik. Where are you from? Where are you from? We say it B Nika. Okay, that is Nur. B Nika. Okay, that's how you can say it. B Nika. Where are you from? B Nika. Alright. The next thing is, like, if you want to say maybe you like somebody that much and you want to express it the way we say it in English. If you say I love you, it means nakaji or n nakaji. This I love you stir. Alright, it means n nakaji or just nakaji. I loved you. N nakaji or n or nakaji in that simple way. Okay, have a nice day. You say Teni Kamal. Have a nice day. Teni Kamal. Something like that. Or you can say it with Kamal, but the term indicate that it just you simply wishing somebody a farewell, right? Have a nice day. Tene Kamal. That is how we say Tene Kamal. Okay. Get well soon. Get well soon. Okay. Tene Kapal Puan. Pual Puan. Okay. Get well soon. Tene Kapal Puan. You are wishing somebody to recover maybe from sickness, or maybe it's not feeling well. You can say Teni Kapal Puan. Well, this is where I can stop. You have any doubt or any comment, please drop it there. This is how you can say it when you meet somebody who is Nuer. Hi, what's your name? Shalshududi. Nice to meet you. Chaloda Tesko Chanjek. Pleased to meet you. Chaloda Tesko Chanjek. Where are you from? Binika. I love you. Nakeji, or simply Hen Nakeji. Have a nice day. Tene Kamal. Get well soon. Tene Kapal Point. God bless you. Here we say it this way. God bless you. Be quote G-pot. Okay, in Nuer. Because G-pot. You simply try to tell your Nuer friend because G-pot. Because G-pot, he or she is gonna be happy, you know. God bless you and have a nice day. Bye.